Hi, this couple of minutes will show you how we can visualize data in Splunk using the maps command. My name is Jack Dillon and I'm a senior sales engineer in Australia. And basically, we will show this tutorial to help you with the GovHack that is happening this weekend, and this will show you how to visualize data in Splunk through the use of maps. Maps is basically a search, an option in Splunk that allows you to create dashboard panels showing the world map, and then showing data from your showing geostats from data that you ingest into Splunk. And there's two ways of doing this. One is through the use of IP location, and the other way is to use geostats. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've got live data coming in for the geostats command, and I'll give you an example of how that appears right now. So if I look into my screen, I can see this is my Splunk server, and what I'll just do a refresh of this search, and that will give you an idea, basically using the geostats command over here, how you can visualize data in a world map. The geostats command basically will use two options. One is uses IP addresses, which showcase the IP addresses from around the world, right? So if your data has got IP addresses in them, then geostats will be able to do a lookup using that IP address. In my example here, I haven't got IP addresses, but I've got latitude and longitude data. So what I've done is I've done a geostats command into my search syntax over here, and I've created a lat field, which is latitude field, and the information is coming from an Excel spreadsheet that I've uploaded and has got vendor latitude in them, and the long field has got the vendor longitude in them, and that has created this map which shows data from around the world. And this map feature is in your Splunk panels. When you save a search under the visualization tab, it will be under there under map. Okay, so that's an example of how you can use this and save this as a dashboard panel into your dashboard. The other option is, if you can't have longitude and latitude data, is to use the IP address. Now I haven't got live data to show how that happens, but I've got an example here where a customer is using IP location and doing extraction of source IP from the IP location search syntax and coming up with geostats to visualize that on a world map. Okay, so these are the two ways you can do that in Splunk. I wish you the very best with GovHack this Saturday, and thank you so much for your time.